to go over how to convert Canadian gas prices to U.S. gas prices. So suppose you looked up and you noticed that the gas prices in Winnipeg were $1.29 a Canadian dollar per liter, versus in Grand Forks, North Dakota, it was $2.52 per dollar per gallon. So the question is, which is cheaper? So we're going to convert that Canadian price to a U.S. price to compare. Okay, so we're going to set up our conversion. So I just made it mad because I unhooked some stuff. Okay, so we're going to do this just like we do any of our other conversions here. So I'm starting out, I have 129 CAD over 1 liter. Okay, so I need to get rid of one thing. I need to get rid of the liters, and I want to go to gallons, and I want to get rid of the Canadian dollar, and I want to be in USD. So now I'm going to fill in my conversion rates. So the conversion rate is 0.264 gallons per liter. So this is just off your cheat sheets. Like, I don't expect you to memorize this, just know this. If you look up the current Canadian to US exchange rate, it is 75 cents on every Canadian dollar. So now I can see here that my liters cancel, my Canadian dollars cancel, leaving me with USD per gallon, which is what I want. So now what I have to do is I have to get my calculator out, and now I've got to do the math here, right? So So I'm going to get a calculator here. Don't particularly like this calculator, but that'll be okay. So I'm going to do 129, so we're just going straight across, times 0.75, so I'm doing all the top. Then I'm going to divide by this bottom one, which is 0.264, and I get 366. So the price of gas in Winnipeg in US dollars is 366 per gallon, so it's actually cheaper in North Dakota than it is in Winnipeg, Manitoba. At least comparing Grand Forks and Winnipeg. You can compare another town if you wanted. So hopefully that helps you with how to do the comparisons. This works just like any other comparison. If you were doing from miles to gallons, to, liters per, not miles, correct, kilometers per liter, which might be something that, I actually don't know how they give the car gas mileage in Canada. But anyways, it'd be an interesting thing to look up. That's how you compare them. You can change both of them. You just have to make sure you cross them both out.